This
Next.
is Mr. Aki talking to Mr. Bucci.
Who's Mr. Bucci?
Fist bump.
Fist bump.
Wow!
Alright. Next up, we have...
Wow!
Oh, not your fist bump. We have...
Wow!
Do you even know who this character is?
Kylo Ren?
Kylo Ren, yes.
I thought it's Kylo Ren.
No, it's not Kylo Ren, it's Kylo Ren.
Oh, Kylo.
We saw him. We watched the movie, don't you remember?
Yeah.
With Rey? With Rey and Finn? Alright, okay. And you had that toothbrush that says, "That weapon is mine." Remember that toothbrush?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't like that toothbrush. It's not really. It has lights, but it's not really electric.
Ugh.
And we're not talking about that one.
Ugh.
All right.
No, make me see that.
See.
Okay. Let's see if you can see it. Let's see if you can do the Mr. Bucci macaroni.
He has two heads.
And a macaroni.
He has two heads.
No, he doesn't.
He has. See. You can replace them. You can put the one with the hood and the one without the hood. Okay. Kotobukiya.
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 You can't see anything, right?
You can still see the Kotobukiya. Alright, let's start unboxing him, shall we?
Look. You see his feet? Those are stinky feet. He's been here for months.
He's been here for years. We haven't opened this one. Actually, this is the first time I'm opening it. That's why this is it's called unboxing.
Okay, now let's open this. But why can't we open this? Because there's sticky tape. I don't know why.
Have I opened this before? I can't even remember. See? He has some instructions. Alright. So, standard Kotobukiya magnetic face.
Yes, but we don't need it for now.
We'll just put it there. Then, look! What is this?
The light neighbor.
Lightsaber.
No, the light neighbor. It lights up neighbors' houses.
It lights up the neighbors' houses?
Yes.
Well, it's not true.
I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do that. Okay, this is the sword of Kylo Ren.
Kylo Ren, not Kylo Ren.
Kylo Ren, okay?
Kylo Ren, okay?
Fine.
Alright.
Do that. Heads.
Yep, two heads.
One with the back.
Not the whatnot. This is actually the cowl. This is the cowl, and this is his head.
Mr. Headbum. He has a head, but it's
You
not.
You have the option of putting the cowl on,
Never.
or just his helmeted head.
Put the cowl on because it looks cool on him.
Yep, it looks cooler with the cowl. Alright, let
Yes.
us assemble this, shall we?
Yes. Head and shoulders,
Knees and
and
toes.
toes.
That's it.
Guys, as you see his arm is attached here, you can see him. He's invisible.
He's not invisible.
Yes, he is.
He's not.
Yes.
No, he's not.
Yes, he is.
What did you do? You broke it. Did you break it? I think you broke it. Anak, you broke it. You broke it. You broke it. Here we have Kylo Ren.
Yes.
So here we have Kylo Ren
Yes.
with his hood on.
Yep.
Okay.
Not
And-
the national one that if you forgot to put on.
No, he's got his hood on. Look.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. It comes with 2 other arms. Okay. He has 2 sets of arms that you can interchange if you want, and this is the Now, this is his sword. Now, the reason why I'm holding it instead of him is because somebody broke the sword. Who was it, Achilles?
Me.
Alright. Come here. Put that down, love.
Okay.
So, we put in some super glue there, and hopefully it will set. And hopefully, but this is a lesson learned, and also a lesson that I intend to pass on. That's why I'm continuing with this. And a lesson I intend to pass on with all of you, to be careful. Okay, be careful with the small, especially with the pieces that are thin, like the sword, like this lightsaber. Okay, be very, very careful. Okay, in holding them, because you just might break them. All right. Same goes with practically all of Kotobukiya's products, which have these thin or very delicately or intricately placed parts. Okay, just be very careful with them. Okay, and now we shall move on with our next figure.
It's Darth Vader.
All right, hey, put them together. Put them both
Darth
together.
Vader. Okay. The second one should be done.
Oh, they look
Because-
practically the same. Ah.
Here's the look.
This Darth Vader is Kylo Ren's grandfather. Okay, that's why he's trying to emulate or imitate his idol, Darth Vader. That's why he went for the helmet and the dark visage. Anyways, the reason why you couldn't put him here is because Kylo Ren does not have a hole on his sole of his feet for this. Okay, this is for Boba Fett, which we will open in a bit. Okay, and that's it. Kylo Ren and Darth Vader. And before we go, here's a shot of Kylo Ren with his hood off. Now, as you can see, it's a very intricately created. Look at that. Look at all the scars on his helmet. All the dents. Look at that. Very well crafted. Another very fine figure from Kotobukiya. Moving around so you can get a better look. Amazing piece. Really. Look at that tattered cowl. Looks so realistic. Don't you think it looks realistic, Aki?
Yes.
Look, Achilles, look. Look at his helmet. Look at the dents on his helmet. See that?
Yep.
Yeah. Amazing piece. That's it. Kylo Ren, Star Wars, ArtFX, Kotobukiya.
Never ending.
Never ending. Alright.